Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Kakirtong ka National People's Party NPP na nong thamai constituency kakong Jasmine Lyngdoh hak apho tarik urumpang kalathiating ka Bharatiya Janata Party Halor ka Jingkynthoh Dynastic Politics kabakaong bakadi kintian kabalapinan kampalat kabalapinan kambakla bar kabalapin sutho bakla tambanyok khut point.
In my opinion, when people talk about dynastic politics, I think they are forgetting one very important factor, is that if you're already born into a family of politicians, you tend to have those skills and you tend to have that mind frame and that mindset also to serve the public.
Kakong Lyngdoh kadi kakirtong kabathamai kabawan na kalongyeng kabalapin mi ikinong alam sa perthe kumuba PG mabanyang bangkwa hedwa rublay uba RG Lyngdoh bangkwa hedwa rublay pakakong amprin Lyngdoh.
So I think I've been very fortunate that my family has been in politics for the last 50 years. And that means that we already know how to approach people. We already know what are the ways in which we can address their issues.
Halor kane kakong Lyngdoh kalaong baklayo asipun ki jinghikai na ipa uba PG mabanyang uhinmen uba RG Lyngdoh bakahinmen kakong amprin Lyngdoh.
I think more importantly, that genuineness and that love for people, okay, because we have seen from the time of my father to the time of my brother and to the current, scenario where Amprin has, proved beyond comparison that yes, it does matter a lot that you are coming from a family where, we are already exposed to public life. I think this dynastic politics is something that, maybe has been misconstrued, okay? Because unfortunately, it could also be that people take advantage of the power. But sorry, in my family, since the time of my father, we have not taken advantage of power and control. We work very hard, and that has been taught to us to work hard and to provide to the society.
Hagani ka election ka bansalong haka aphunyo tarik urumpang kakong Jasmine Lyngdoh ka se khun prasha MLA ka TMC badiru unong alam san pathe balaslam uba Charles Pengro ba ukotong ka UDP uba Jamino Mautho.
Meghalaya TMC kan wanlam shapi ka Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme. Hapo kani ka scheme onpen poi pisa shi hajating kashi banai kata khar hajating kashi snap shaki kinthei haman lakilong yeng kum kala jingkershan bai banai.
Hakane ka apnyo terek urumpang Shanya kasap jong pi haki artli kisentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.